आज इस क्लास में मैं आपको बिल्कुल जीरो से इंग्लिश पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस कराऊंगी। आपको करना क्या है, इस वीडियो को पूरी देख लेना है और जैसे जैसे मैं पढ़ूंगी उसके साथ साथ रिपीट करना है। चलिए देखिए किस तरीके से पढ़ेंगे। द लिटिल बर्ड। आज इस क्लास में अपन द लिटिल बर्ड स्टोरी पढ़ने वाले हैं। ONCE once, THERE there, WAS was, a LITTLE little, BIRD bird. Once there was a little bird. अगर आप इस तरीके से इंग्लिश पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो मात्र 15 दिन में इंग्लिश पढ़ना सीख जाओगे। THE द, BIRD बर्ड, LIVED lived, in, a, SMALL small, GREEN green, TREE tree, NEAR near, a, VILLAGE village. The bird lived in a small green tree near a village. EVERY every, MORNING morning, THE the, BIRD bird, WOKE walk, UP up, EARLY early, and FLEW flew, in, THE the, SKY sky. Every morning the bird woke up early and flew in the sky. IT it, LOVED loved, TO SEEC THE the, TREES trees, FLOWERS flowers, and SMALL small, HOUSES houses, BELLOW blow. It loved to see the trees, flowers and small houses blow. THE the, BIRD bird, HAD had, a, HAPPY happy, LIFE life, BUT but, IT it, ALWAYS always, WANTED wanted, TO HELP help, OTHERS others. The bird had a happy happy life, but it always wanted to help others. ONE DAY day. THE the. BIRD bird. SAW so. LITTLE little. BOY boy. SITTING sitting. UNDER under. TREE tree. One day the bird saw a little boy sitting under a tree. THE the. BOY boy. LOOKED looked. VERY very. SAD said. AND and. QUIET quite. The boy looked very sad and quiet. THE the. BIRD bird. FLEW flew. NEAR near. HIM him. AND and. STARTED started. SINGING singing. SWEET sweet. SONG song. The bird flew near him and started singing a sweet song. THE the. BOY boy. LOOKED looked. AT at. THE the. BIRD bird. AND and. SMILED smiled. The boy looked at the bird and smiled. he. FELT felt. HAPPY happy. AFTER after. HEARING hearing. THE the. BEAUTIFUL beautiful. SONG song. He felt happy after hearing the beautiful song. THE the. BOY boy. TOOK took. SOME some. FOOD food. FROM from. HIS his. BAG bag. AND and. GAVE gave. IT it. TO to. THE the. BIRD bird. The boy took some food from his bag and gave it to the bird. THE, the, LITTLE, little, BIRD, bird, ATE, at, THE, the, FOOD, food, HAPPILY, happily. The little bird ate the food happily. THEN, then. IT, it. FLEW, flew. AROUND, around. THE, the. BOY, boy. AND, and. SANG, sang. ANOTHER, another. SONG, song. Then it flew around the boy and sang another song. THE, the. BOY, boy. LAUGHED, laughed. And. SAID, sad. THANK, thank. YOULITTLE, little. BIRD, bird. The boy laughed and said, thank you, little bird. FROM, from. THAT, that. DAY, day. THE, the. BOY, boy. AND, and. THE, the. BIRD, bird. BECAME, became. GOOD, good. FRIENDS, friends. From that day the boy and the bird became good friends. EVERY, every. DAY, day. THE, the. BOY, boy. BROUGHT, brought. SOME, some. FOOD, food. FOR, for. THE, the. BIRD, bird. AND, and. THE, the. BIRD, bird. SANG, sang. SWEET, sweet. SONG, song. FOR, for. THE, the. BOY, boy. Every day the boy brought some food for the bird, and the bird sang a sweet song for the boy. THEY, they. SPENT, spent. A LOT, lot. OF off, TIME time, TOGETHER together. They spent a lot of time together. THE the, BOY boy, LEARNED learned, THAT that, EVEN even, SMALL small, ACT act, OF off, KINDNESS kindness, CAN can, MAKE make, SOMEONE someone, HAPPY happy. The boy learned that even a small act of kindness can make someone happy. अगर आपको आज की क्लास अच्छी लगी है तो आज की क्लास को लाइक कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और एक प्यारा सा कमेंट जरूर कर देना। मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में।